Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you quickly how to do this really pretty texture stitch. Look at that for texture. Now the thumbnail doesn't do this justice at all, but look at that beautiful texture. It is a 3-row repeat, but it's a really quick 3-row repeat. So do any number of stitches for this pattern. So into the second stitch in your chain at count 1 and 2, we're going to do 1 row of UK double crochets. So pull your yarn through, yarn over and pull through. Put 1 into each stitch all the way along your chain. So I've done my first row of double crochet. You're going to chain 1 and turn, and right into that very first stitch we're going to do 1 more row of double crochets. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops, and we're going to do 1 into every stitch all the way along. So now what you're going to do is you're going to chain 2, 1, 2. Now I'm going to see if I can keep my plaster finger out the way. So we've done our chain of 2, and we're going to use the top stitch and the bottom stitch of these 2 rows. Then we'll use the top stitch and the one underneath it here, and you can see the little spaces of the stitches under there. So first of all you're going to do a yarn over and you're going into the top stitch, the very first stitch here, and pull through. Now yarn over, and what you're going to do is you're going to go into the stitch underneath that, into there, pull your yarn through and pull a loop up, and you should have 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over and pull through all of those loops, and it makes a really nice little twist here on your stitch. So yarn over and into the next stitch and pull your loop up. Now you're going on into the stitch underneath that row, in that very first row that we did. So yarn over, and you can see the stitch there, just push through and pull up. You've got 5 loops, yarn over and pull through, and you're going to do that all the way along the line. Now this is a really easy stitch. It's a pretty stitch as well. So yarn over and into the next stitch and pull up, and there's the stitch underneath. You can see the hole, it opens up once you go into that top one. So yarn over and in through the bottom and pull up. Yarn over and through those 5 loops, yarn over into the next stitch, pull a loop through, yarn over and go into the stitch, the space below, under there, right underneath that one. So it's like you're working both rows at the same time. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and through the bottom stitch and pull up through the loops, and you get this really pretty stitch like this. So yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over and in to the stitch below that one, right in there. Pull your yarn up and through, yarn over and through all the loops, and you're going to do that all the way along. Now on your last stitch you're going to do a UK treble crochet. Go chain 1 and turn. Now right in to the very first stitch we're going to do 2 rows of UK double crochets. So 1 into each stitch, and you're going to do 2 rows. Oops. Now I did say this was a super easy stitch, a stitch that you can do while you're watching the TV. Now at the end you're going into your treble crochet and finish your stitch. Chain 1 and turn and do one more row of your double crochets, 1 into each stitch. This is done over 3 rows, but they are quick rows. This is so quick and so easy for beginners. So I've done my 2 rows. You're going to chain 2, 1, 2 and turn. Just chain 2. Now again we're going into the top stitch and the bottom stitch. So we're going to do the top row, the bottom row, the top row, the bottom row of these 2 rows. So yarn over and into the very first stitch, pull through a loop, yarn over and go into the one below and pull up your loop and pull through all 5. Some more of my yarn out there. So yarn over into the next stitch, into the top, and then yarn over and into the bottom stitch. Not these loopy stitches, you're going into the one that's right here underneath that stitch. Pull your loop up, remember, and do your yarn over, pull through your 5 loops, yarn over into the top of the next stitch, yarn over and into the bottom stitch there, top and bottom, pull through, yarn over into the top, yarn over and into the stitch below, so it's a top and a bottom, and pull through your 5 loops, yarn over, remember the yarn over, so into the next stitch, yarn over and into the space underneath. You can see the stitch space underneath that one, and pull up and pull through all the way along. Once you've got this, it is so easy and it makes beautiful blankets in any colour at all. And even though you don't see the pattern too great on this speckle yarn, it's still really pretty and it's very textured as well. Look at the back of that, it's beautiful. I'll get my larger piece back that I've been working on. This is a really quick tutorial, a really quick pretty pattern, and the thumbnail doesn't do it justice. So thank you so much to everyone who's been donating on my Ko-fi page. I'll leave a link underneath the video. And thanks so much to everyone who buys me a cup of coffee on there. Thank you so much. It's completely free to subscribe to any YouTube channel. You just click on the subscribe button, follow the very simple steps, and then if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.